The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for McHenry County, Cook County, and Lake County at 4:55 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado 6 miles southwest of DeKalb, moving 35 miles an hour. Locations impact that include Doppage, Kane, Kankakee, Will, and Dickel. Take cover now. Move to a basement or in the interior room on the lowest floor of a study building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.